Hi, good morning and welcome again to another vlog. Today we will be making epic beef afritada here in my village. What village? Secret. So we have here our ingredients. We have carrots, beef, 1 onion, bay leaf, black pepper, soy sauce, 4 pieces of potato, red bell pepper, this tomato sauce, and that's pretty much about it. So this is going to be we're gonna do this epic beef here in my village. Now I'm going to stir fry our spices, our garlic, and our onion. I actually intended to do this outside using the clay pot and the charcoal burner. Unfortunately, we experienced some technical difficulties because of the incompatibility of the charcoal burner to the clay pot. So I'm back here in my trusty stove, gas stove, to cook our epic beef afritada in my village. Let's put the beef marinated with soy sauce and lemon in my village, in the place to be. So it is a combination of brisket and beef ribs because for no apparent reason I just want to combine for texture maybe. Let it sit there. So it's now boiling. We will now add our bay leaf, our tomato sauce, squeeze all that goodness right there. There. That should be it. And approximately 2 tablespoons of salt. Stir it up gently. Like that. The aroma is amazing. So let us now allow this to boil, and let's now cover our pressure cooker. So right now we are just waiting for the pressure cooker to be sealed, for that lock right there to engage so that the pressure can start building up. It should be there anytime now. Right there. And wait for it. And boom. And immediately what we need to do, once that is that has engaged, let's now turn this to the lowest heat. So now So now I have the flame to almost the lowest heat, and the reason for that is because as you can see, the pressure regulator valve is constantly expelling pressure right there, but it's not jumping up and down like crazy. The reason for that is because although this pressure cooker, there's just a specific pressure that this can tolerate. Any excess pressure will just be expelled by the pressure regulator valve. So so it's basically the heat that you use to generate all that pressure is just being expelled by the pressure regulator valve. So it's just a waste of energy. So much better, just dial it down to the lowest flame. So right now we are 20 minutes on our cooking this beef under pressure. So as you can see, the pressure regulator valve is still constantly expelling excess pressure from the pressure cooker, so that it won't, something bad won't happen to us. So what I'm gonna do now is that I will now turn this off, and I will just leave it here for another 10 minutes maybe, just to let it cool down. Instead of putting this on running water and easing out the pressure, I will just let it sit there and cool down and allow the lock to disengage. However, if you're having, because by doing this, the present pressure and the residual heat inside the pot will continue to cook and tenderize our meat without using gas. However, if you're not familiar with this and you're having doubts, please feel free to use the usual things that you do. And if you're still having doubts, please refer to your pressure cooker manufacturer equipment manual. So after easing out the pressure of the pressure cooker by letting it cool down, as expected, the beef is now so tender, and we will now go ahead and add our other ingredients, the potato, carrots, and the bell pepper. Stir it up, and we will be cooking this under pressure for another 5 minutes. So here we now have our finished product, and as you can see, it is not as tender as I have expected. However, if you're gonna do this dish, instead of making it 20 minutes, you can do this 30 minutes. But the taste is so amazing. Kakayo, Mikayo. And if you like the video, please slap like now and subscribe. Thank you very much. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.